Would you like to know a new French expression every day that you can use in your French GCSE exam or in everyday conversation? Hello, this is Lara. I'm the author of the blog learnfrenchwithlara.com. I'm a French teacher, and every day I will explain to you a new French expression and how you can use it. Today's expression is expression number 33, à mes yeux. So, à mes yeux, what does it mean in English? À mes yeux means in my eyes. It is a way of expressing what you think. It's rather how you see things. It is comparable in English to in my book or in my view. À mes yeux is a French expression which is useful to express opinion in French, and also it is useful because it is an idiom. Ways of expressing opinions in French are: selon moi, à mon avis, je pense que, en ce qui me concerne. However, it is usually used in a deep way of thinking. This is the way you see things. So you don't use it to say what time you think the bus will arrive. It is meant to be used in a more meaningful conversation. How can I use it now in my French GCSE and in everyday conversation? I will give you some practical examples. Now, before that, it is recommended if you want to get higher mark at your French GCSE exam that you express opinions. It is also recommended that you use French idioms. This is why this expression is so useful, because basically it do both. Example how you could use it with your French GCSE questions. Pensez-vous que porter l'uniforme à l'école soit important? À mes yeux, porter l'uniforme est important car cela aide à réduire les différences sociales. Do you think that wearing uniform at school is important? In my opinion, wearing uniform is important because it helps reducing social differences. Que pensez-vous du recyclage des déchets? À mes yeux, le recyclage des déchets est important car cela aide à préserver l'environnement. What do you think of waste recycling? In my opinion, waste recycling is important because it helps preserving the environment. Avez-vous remarqué comment j'utilisais cela aide à deux fois? Have you noticed how I use the expression it helps twice? Because that's the thing. If you learn a few expressions, then you can keep reusing them. It's called recycling expression and words. Now, how can I use it in everyday French conversation? In colloquial French conversation, I recommend that you use it in conjunction with another adjective. For example, c'est important à mes yeux de ne pas être en retard à un rendez-vous. It is important in my view not to be late for an appointment. C'est précieux à mes yeux de préserver la nature et les animaux sauvages. It is precious in my view to preserve nature and wildlife. You can also use it to insist on your opinion, such as « Je tiens à préciser que c'est important à mes yeux ». I want to emphasize that this is important for me. Je tiens à préciser que c'est important à mes yeux. Other French expression with yeux in French. Now I have found 10 top French expression which uses yeux. For example, number 1. La prunelle de mes yeux. It means in English the apple of my eye. For example, mon bébé est la prunelle de mes yeux. My baby is the apple of my eye. Jeter de la poudre aux yeux. It is just a smoke screen. Example, elle n'est pas riche, mais elle aime jeter de la poudre aux yeux. She's not rich, but she likes to show off. Avoir le compas dans l'œil. To have an accurate eye. For example, elle a le compas dans l'œil, elle n'a pas besoin de mesurer. She has an accurate eye, she doesn't need to measure anything. Au doigt et à l'œil. To obey every word. For example, il obéit au doigt et à l'œil. He obeys every command. Taper dans l'œil. To get noticed. For example, elle m'a tapé dans l'œil. I couldn't help but notice her. Agir les yeux fermés, with your eyes closed. For example, je n'ai aucun doute, vous pouvez agir les yeux fermés. I have no doubt you can act with your eyes closed, which is not often recommended. Avoir bon pied, bon oeil, to be fit. For example, malgré son grand âge, elle a toujours le bon pied, bon oeil. Despite her old age, she is still fit. En un clin d'œil, in one eye blink. For example, je l'ai fait en un clin d'œil. I've done it very quickly and very easily. Avoir les yeux plus gros que le ventre. To bite off more than you can chew. For example, elle a eu les yeux plus gros que le ventre. She bit off more than she could chew. Sauter aux yeux. To be obvious. For example, cela a sauté aux yeux. It was obvious. Now, do you need help with French? Just to let you know, I have prepared a French e-learning course and you can find out more about it if you go to my website learnfrenchwithlara.com. You can also download your free bonus guidebook on how to learn French for your French GCSE on my website. I hope this is helpful. I wish you the best of luck and I say see you tomorrow. Au revoir!